Are you a researcher looking for an easy and effective way to assess your research competences? Then ResearchComp's self-assessment tool is for you. This free tool has been designed to make researchers more aware of their strengths and areas for improvement and to foster their career development. The self-assessment tool is based on ResearchComp, the European competence framework for researchers. ResearchComp outlines 39 research skills across 7 competence areas, which are described according to the proficiency level of the researchers, from foundational to expert. With this new self-assessment tool, researchers can identify the proficiency level of their skills from wherever they are in less than 30 minutes. Just log in. Select the competence you would like to explore and answer the questionnaire according to your experience. When you have finished, the tool will show you your score, your competency level, your strengths, and offer suggestions on how to improve any gaps in your competences. And that's it! Now that you are aware of your proficiency level, you can more easily plan your professional development, fill in any competence gaps, and enhance your career prospects. Europe needs excellent researchers. Be part of that team with the help of the ResearchComp self-assessment tool.